Today's I'm going to show the trick, how to make your YouTube channel name one word, in 2020. So let's start the process. Now, just open a browser. Simply go to youtube.com, from Chrome browser. Now, I'm refreshing the page to see the change. We need to go YouTube desktop version, to edit channel name. Again, check the name by clicking on the icon. Tap on the icon, and seeing the old two-word. Click on the Save option, and show the magic. Here, I'm seeing first name and last name. I want to make a single word name. Watch the trick. I'm removing the last name and write a full stop on the blank field. Interesting. Click on the Save option and show the magic. Here is the display name, only one word. Absolutely, it's a working trick. Let's back on the YouTube to check the change. Before refreshing the page, tap on the icon and seeing the old two-word. Now, I'm refreshing the page to see the change. Giving time to load the full page. Again, check the name by clicking on the icon. Yes, the trick works well in 2020. So, we can use this trick if we want to create one-word YouTube channel name. At now, we are returning on the YouTube mobile version. Our work is done. If you have any problem, any idea, or if you want to give me thanks, then write a comment. Don't forget to give like and subscribe the channel. Stay connected with Trickwon.